A routine plate check, a suspended license, a suspected needle mark, 3 legal issues, 1 traffic stop. Which rights actually apply here?
I'm sorry.
Hey.
Hello, sir.
Hey, your license isn't good.
I'm sorry?
Valerie?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your license is not good.
Why?
It says failure to pay a traffic ticket.
I paid the traffic ticket.
Do you have your registration proof of insurance?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. It's
This is your old one.
that's your order. I do have it, sir. Please bear with me.
Alright, you have proof of insurance?
I have insurance. I have Geico.
Do you have like a proof of insurance on you?
Can I pull it up on my phone?
Sure.
I'm sorry. I can't believe my license is suspended. I have no idea.
Alright, you can hold back onto this.
Yes, sir.
Step by the car, you can look for it outside. Why are you bleeding out of your hand?
He says working at home or building a house.
Somebody should just shut up, dude. Oh, it takes forever to stop.
Oh, cute puppies.
Thank you.
What are their names?
Okay. They're my bosses.
They're your bosses?
Yeah.
What, you looking for your insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
I have insurance.
Who's the insurance for?
Geico.
You can't download the app and look it up? Or is that what you're trying to do?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll put your hands on your back. I'll explain to you in a second.
Please call my boss to come get the
Let him talk. We'll figure that out, okay?
Alright, your license is suspended. It said you received notice already in July. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to have to go to jail. We'll try to work with you with the dogs. But listen to me. I've been around for a while. You are extremely nervous. You have a needle mark fresh in your hand.
It's
Is
not.
there any needles in the car?
No.
100% sure.
It's not a needle mark, sir. I work. The house is being built over on Edgewater Canal. May I please call my boss? The puppy's. She's
You
not.
come get the dogs. You have no needles on you.
No, sir.
No needles in the car.
No, sir. Search the car, sir.
I'm not searching. I'm inventorying. It's getting towed.
Will it open to your face?
Excuse me, what is he doing? I didn't give you permission to search the car, sir.
Yeah, he's inventorying it. So we're trying to get so the dogs can go.
Oh,
So nope, you're staying right here.
He's.
So he's inventorying the car because it's going to get towed because you're being arrested.
But my boss can come and get it, ma'am.
So she's coming to get the dogs.
With the woman's boss not picking up, she becomes increasingly panicked, especially regarding her car.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system 4077. Your call has been forwarded to an
want these
automatic.
dogs up here with the council. Let's try to figure it out.
Please, just keep calling. He'll answer, please.
Don't you have a guy that you live with? You're not home?
I'm calling.
That's who you're calling?
Who else are you trying to call?
Can I call my lawyer?
What? Who's
No, not yet.
Do I have an extra number?
I'm arrested. I'm getting arrested. You have to come and get the dogs. They're in my car. He pulled me over and he's looking through the car, Rob. Please come and get it. I'm in all these parking
So
lots.
he can get the dogs, not the car. Her license is suspended. So, you can come get the dogs, but not the car. The car's getting towed.
Can I please have the water inside the car?
1 second. We're in the Aldi parking lot right across from Home Depot.
Where is she going?
She's going to go to jail.
To what jail?
Volusia County Branch Jail.
Call my lawyer, Rob.
Okay. What's the number about her? Send me a number.
I'm in handcuffs, Rob. It's the defense group.
Okay. I don't know if I'll find it.
Yes. All right, so you're heading this way. How long will it be?
Okay. I'm at Fort Orange right now.
Okay.
The dog's going to be there. Was it both with her in the car?
Yeah,
Yes.
hey, we got an animal control guy coming. If the record gets here before him, we can put him and the dogs in the temporary kennel in the truck, and you can come pick up the dogs.
Okay. Well, I'm on the way, but I'm in Fort Orange.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, you got some time. You got like,
I'll go right now.
all right.
Can you please wipe my eyes? Yeah.
With what?
My
The
shirt.
shirt. Yeah, you can lift your shirt up.
I'm almost tempted to DUI. There's needles all in the center console.
I didn't give you permission to search the car.
Inventorying you, I'm towing your vehicle. That's policy. So you can sit here, we can play games back and forth and all this stuff. I've been doing this for a long time. It's apparent that you just shot up dope and you're driving around my city. It's completely unacceptable. Looks like you failed to pay some type of ticket. That's what it's telling me. It said they gave you notice.
I haven't been home. I live out here now.
Haven't you been to court?
No,
tell you?
I haven't been to court. My lawyer goes to court. I haven't been to court.
All right, so since he's arrested you, I'm searching you. Do you have anything on you that'll stick and poke me, anything inside of you? Okay. And then, is there a bottle of water in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there a water in there that she can have a sip of, or?
Oh, I'm sure. I'll find it. I'll
Okay.
find it.
If I get stuck, I'm gonna be
Ma'am,
really
there's
pissed off.
nothing on me.
Unfortunately, we've already we've broken trust. You took a long time to stop and was fucking with something, so just a heads up.
Do you want these glasses to stay in the car?
Yes, please.
There's something, you have nothing on you, right? You go to the jailhouse, it's going to be
I
more
don't have
charges.
anything on me.
That we got it off to the right, on the wrong foot. I understand you don't want to get in trouble, but
Okay, I'm gonna fix your hand, okay? I can still fit my finger in there. But I'll loosen it up a little bit, but I can fit a finger in there. Are you gonna want more than that?
how many you got?
We're gonna go sit in my truck, okay? I'll roll down the window, so if he has any more questions.
Can I please call my lawyer?
So that'll be when you get to the jail.
How do I?
I got you. Okay. I'll roll down the window so it's not as hot.
Can police go through your car without consent when it is being towed? Most people get this wrong. Does a visible suspected injection site alone meet the legal threshold for DUI? Or does the law require more than what an officer sees? When a suspect asks for a lawyer mid-arrest, does questioning stop immediately? The answer determines what the prosecution is legally allowed to use. Issue 1, the Traffic Stop Florida Section 322-34. Driving while license suspended is a criminal violation regardless of whether the driver had actual knowledge of the suspension. Notice sent by mail is sufficient to establish knowledge under the statute. Knowledge of suspension elevates the offense from a civil traffic infraction to a first-degree misdemeanor under Florida Section 322-34. Maximum exposure, up to 1 year incarceration. Issue 2, the Inventory Search, South Dakota v. Opperman, 428 U.S., 364, 1,976. When a vehicle is lawfully impounded, officers may inventory its contents as an administrative procedure. This is not a Fourth Amendment search. Consent from the owner is not required and cannot prevent it. Only constitutional protection available to the vehicle owner. Officers must follow standardized departmental written policy. Without that policy, the inventory becomes an unconstitutional warrantless search. Colorado v. Bertine 479 U.S. 367 1987. Evidence found during a valid inventory search is admissible in court under the Plainview Doctrine. Policy compliance is the deciding factor. Issue 3 DUI Probable Cause Florida Section 316.193. DUI is defined as operating a motor vehicle while impaired by alcohol, controlled substances, or other intoxicants to the extent that a person's normal faculties are impaired. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 1968. Probable cause for DUI arrest may be established through the totality of circumstances as observed by a trained officer at the scene. Direct observation by a trained officer carries significant legal weight. Normal faculties under Florida Section 316.193 are defined as judgment, reaction time, balance, vision, and the ability to safely operate a motor vehicle. First offense DUI penalties under Florida Section 316.193. Incarceration up to 6 months. Fine up to 10. License suspension 6 to 12 months. Mandatory vehicle impoundment. Mandatory DUI school. Substance abuse evaluation. And probation up to 1 year. Aggravating factor. Concurrent driving while licensed, suspended charge under Florida Section 322. 34 may increase penalties, pen is depending on the subject's prior suspension and criminal history. Issue 4 Right to Counsel's Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 436 1966. Once a suspect in custody invokes the right to counsel, all interrogation by law enforcement must cease immediately. Edwards v. Arizona 451 U.S. 477 1981. Police may not reinitiate questioning after a right to counsel invocation unless the suspect themselves voluntarily reopens communication. Legal lesson 1. Paying a traffic fine does not automatically reinstate a suspended license. Florida law requires a separate reinstatement process and fee. Driving without confirming reinstatement creates criminal exposure. Legal lesson 2. Objecting to an inventory search carries no legal weight. Demanding consent is irrelevant. Demanding a warrant is irrelevant. The only available defense is whether officers followed their own written policy. The DUI charge here rests entirely on officer observation. No breathalyzer was administered at the scene. Under Florida law, is observational evidence alone sufficient to sustain a conviction? The inventory was conducted over an explicit verbal objection. Department policy was cited but never explained to the subject. If the policy was not strictly followed, can the evidence be suppressed at trial? The right to counsel was invoked mid-arrest. Did all questioning legally stop at that exact moment? What the bodycam captured after that invocation may be the most critical evidence of all. Charges are filed. The legal process is just beginning. The footage shows what happened. The law will determine whether it was lawful. What does the evidence actually prove and where does it fall short?